Hey everyone, and welcome back to another action-packed video with yours truly, Mr. Glenn Johnson. Today's cinematic adventure will focus on collaboration during my fun-filled fieldwork assignments. Now, as someone who has been doing this very thing for well over a decade, I can personally attest to collaboration between all parties as essential to being able to provide instruction and teaching the whole child. Most recently, during my field work, I've had parents share with me how their child has been doing in the areas of both reading and writing while outside of the classroom, which is extremely valuable as I don't get to see them, but they do. One parent showed me a short work sample via email attachment of two basic sentences her child wrote, which took him at least 15 minutes, all due to a lack of motivation to add detail or to write anything at all. This inspired me to work on a writing intervention project involving summarizing movie clips I had been meaning to implement for some time. I'm happy to report that progress is well underway, though that would not have been possible without this collaboration, which included inside information regarding the parent sharing what their child enjoys watching and who doesn't like Iron Man. For my own part, when I collaborate, I always like reaching out to the parent to get this information up front so that I know going into a lesson or an IEP meeting or what have you, what the student's interests are in so that I might best utilize it during reading or writing sessions and even writing goals as well. This not only makes my lessons more impactful, but it's more fun for all concerned. And again, who doesn't like Iron Man? It is true that occasionally a parent or a teacher is less than forthcoming with needed information, which makes things unnecessarily difficult. Though I find that when I reach out, most families and other educators are happy to share what they know. The collaboration process begins. There's a big discussion. It happens in IEP meetings all the time. That's really what a meeting is all about, to discuss how best to help the child. If we don't collaborate, we're not going to get anywhere. We'll just be staring at each other, and that could get very boring. Also, for lessons, most of the prep has to do with, okay, how do they best learn? I'm not always with them, so the parent is, of course, essential. They're with them 24/7, especially during the pandemic. That actually becomes very, very true. So collaboration is extremely important. The bottom line is a professional educator cannot exist in a vacuum, and it takes a team to do what it is that we do. So until next time, my fellow educators, I'll see you all out there in internet land. Be safe, stay warm this holiday season. Why did I say that? This winter season, and I'll see you around.